Hi everyone, today I'm showing you this Kids AI alarm clock. It's designed especially for kids and toddlers. Clock looks cute and friendly, so children are not scared to use it. The screen is bright and easy to read. Kids can clearly see the time. It also works as an okay to wake clock, which helps children understand when it's time to get up and when it's time to sleep. Parents will like that it's simple to set up and easy to use. Kids learn independence and morning become less stressful. Overall, this is a great gift for children, especially for building healthy sleep habits.